Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we will show you how to use the API link and generate an API link for your proxy plan. First, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, then select API Management. Choose Residential Proxies to continue, then click on Get Proxy. Next, select the proxy plan you want to generate the API link for. You can also select a specific region for continent-level targeting if needed. Choose your preferred protocol, either HTTP or SOX5, based on your requirements. Then select your target country. Choose your session type, either sticky or rotating, and set your preferred filtering mode. After that, define the number of proxies and choose your preferred proxy format. Next, select the output format. You can choose between RAW or JSON, depending on how you plan to use the proxies. Once everything is configured, click Generate API URL to create your API link. Copy the generated API link and open it in a new browser tab to view your proxy list. And that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.